Hello guys, let me introduce chemistry in this class. What is chemistry? Chemistry, it is a branch of science which deals with properties, composition and structure of various elements, molecules or compounds. What is its importance? Why we need to know about chemistry? Okay, so it is everywhere. So just look around you. Okay, all the materials around you are all made up of chemical molecules only. For example, let me see what is there around me. There is a water bottle here, so it is kind of plastic. Okay, plastic is made from the polymer, which is a chemical molecule. It may be polythene, it may be polyvinyl chloride, polyacrylic, and all. In the cosmetics we use, like talcum powder, eyeliner, lipstick, lotions, okay, hair dye. So what are maybe all the cosmetics that we use are all the chemical molecules. They are made up of chemical molecules. And what is present here? There is a laptop and computer, and then cell phone, everything. It's made up of an alloy, isn't it? Any kind of alloy which is made up of the chemical element. And utensils that we use at our home are made up of stainless steels, which is an alloy of iron. All those vessels or ornaments, everything is made up of what? Made up of elements, which is coming under chemistry. And not only that, our entire body is made up of chemical molecules. For example, hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, it is a complex of iron. Okay, and plant bodies, starch present in it, cellulose present in it, are all chemical molecules. Chlorophyll are all studied under chemistry only. And food made up of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and all those things are studied under chemistry. So everywhere there is chemistry, okay? And medicines or drugs prescribed for health issues are prepared or synthesized by the chemist only, okay? So it's very, very important to know about all this, or about the behavior or structure of the molecules or elements surrounding us. All right, okay. How does this chemistry classified? It is classified into three main categories. One is organic, and another is inorganic, and another is physical. Okay, and organic, it deals with the study of only carbon compounds. Okay, those molecules will have carbon-carbon bond in it and carbon-hydrogen bond in it. So only about those compounds organic chemistry is going to deal with. And inorganic compounds is about, inorganic chemistry is about the compounds which doesn't have carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so those we call it as a compound. For in the case of the organic, they are called those to be molecules only, molecules, carbon, hydrogen containing molecules. Okay, so inorganic, we normally study about the inorganic compounds. We call it as an inorganic compounds only, not as molecules mostly. And physical is about the properties of all the elements and then compounds. It is study about the properties, and study of kinetics, study of thermodynamics, about the heat flow and all. Okay, one entire branch is allotted to study about the carbon containing molecules. This is because of an unique property of carbon, that is catenation. Catenation means it is the ability of an element to link with its own element. For example, carbon has got the ability to link with another carbon, okay, and that carbon will again link with another carbon. So it goes on like this, like a chain. Whereas other elements that is present in the periodic table, do not contain this property. Carbon has got a very good catenation property. Okay, it has got more ability to link with its own kind of element. That means carbon can link with the carbon itself. So only it could form large number of molecules. So we have to allot a separate branch, that is organic chemistry, for carbon containing molecules. Now let's see or know about some facts about the carbon. Where it is located in the periodic table, what is its atomic number, mass number, what is its electronic configuration, and all. Okay, so where it is located in the periodic table. So periodic table, it is arrangement of the elements in the increasing order of the atomic number. Okay, it has got 18 groups in it and then 7 periods in it. Okay, carbon is located in the second period and in the 14th group. There are 18 groups in the periodic table and 7 periods in the periodic table. Periods are all rows. Okay, columns are all groups. So in that 14th group, okay, carbon is located in the 14th group and in the second period. All right, and also in the periodic table, in the left hand side we'll have the S block elements, and in the extreme right hand side we have the noble gases. Just before that, P block elements, and in the center D block elements. Carbon is coming under P block elements. Okay, and what is the atomic number and mass number for carbon? Mass number is 12, atomic number is 6. What is this atomic number, mass number? Atomic number is number of the protons present in the element or number of electrons present in the element. Okay, so in an element always number of protons will be equal to number of electrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. Okay, so always number of protons will be equal to number of electrons. Protons or neutrons are present at the center in the nucleus, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in an atom. Okay, and number of protons or this number of electrons is said to be the atomic number. So in carbon, the atomic number is 6. That means number of electrons present in it is 6. Number of protons present in it also 6. And mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons, which is 12. Okay, so that means number of neutrons is also 6 and number of protons is 6. So 12 is the mass number for carbon. Alright, now the 6 electrons are there surrounding the nucleus. So now let us write the electronic configuration for carbon. Carbon electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and then 2p2. It is distributed like this. So actually surrounding the nucleus we have got various shells. Shells are numbered or named as K shell, L shell. Okay, for K shell n is equal to 1 and for L shell n is equal to 2. K shell has got only one subshell, that is s orbital, and L shell has got two subshells, s orbital and p orbital. Okay, and K shell can accommodate 2 electrons only. L shell can accommodate 8 electrons. So carbon has got L shell, 2 electrons in the L shell. The next shell L. Okay, that is, it has got 4 electrons in the L shell. That is distributed as like 2 electrons in the 2s and 2 electrons in the 2p. So what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2 and then 2p2. 2 here, 2s2, 2, the 2 represents L shell, second shell, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, that represent these 2 orbitals are in the L shell. 1s2 represent that electrons present in the K shell. Okay, so electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Alright, so that means what is the valency for the carbon? What is the valency for the carbon, or how many electrons are present in the outermost shell as a valence electron? So 4 electrons are present in the outermost shell. Okay, 2 in the s orbital of L shell and 2 in the p orbital of the L shell. So 4 electrons are present in the outermost shell. So normally what the elements do, they either gain electrons or donate electrons or share electrons, so that they attain the octet number. That is, octet means 8. 8 electrons should be there in the outermost shell. To attain that, they either lose electron or gain electron or share electrons. Okay. Now, carbon has got 4 electrons in the outermost shell. So, it has to gain 4 electrons to get to reach this or attain this octet state, or it should lose this 4 electrons so that only 2 electrons will be present in the outermost shell for it. In the case of hydrogen, 2 electrons only maximum can be present in the outermost shell. It has only s orbital in it. It is a smallest element. So hydrogen normally combines with another hydrogen atom, and one hydrogen will share 1 electron, and another hydrogen will also give 1 electron, contribute 1 electron for bond formation, so that hydrogen molecules are formed. Or else hydrogen can combine with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, so that octet is formed for the chlorine, and 2 electron in the outermost shell will be there for the hydrogen. But in the case of carbon, only 4 electrons are there in the outermost shell. It should either give all these 4 electrons, lose all these 4 electrons, or else it should gain 4 electrons to attain the octet state. This is the structure of carbon. Okay, carbon has got number of protons is equal to 6 and number of neutrons equal to 6. And in an atom, number of protons will be always equal to number of electrons. So, number of electrons is also 6. K shell can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. Okay, whereas L shell, which is next to K shell, can accommodate maximum of 8 electrons. How many electrons carbon has got? It has got 6 electrons. Okay, so 2 electron is accommodated in the subshell S orbital of the K shell. K shell has got only one subshell S, so it is represented as 1s2. And next shell, L shell, has got 2 subshells S, that is 2s and 2p. S can hold only 2 electrons, so 2s2. P can hold maximum of 6 electrons. But since carbon has got only 6 electron and 2 is distributed here and another 2 is distributed here, and remaining is 2 electron only. So that will be filled over here. So p orbital can maximum occupy 6 electron, but only 2 electrons are here. Okay, it's not completely filled. So it's coming under p block element. Carbon is coming under p block element. Okay, so to attain the octet rule, it should get 4 more electrons. Only 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Valency for carbon is 4. So that means what? Valency is 4. That means valence electron is 4. Okay. So to gain 4 more electron, it can combine with the hydrogen. 4 hydrogens in this way, so that each hydrogen will share 1 electron. Okay. A bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen, whereby 1 electron is contributed by hydrogen and another electron is contributed by carbon. So this is the structure of methane, CH4. So look at here, carbon has got 4 valence electron and it combines with 4 hydrogen to form methane. Okay, so that means surrounding carbon there should be always 4 bonds. So this is the structure of ethane, whose formula is C2H6. Okay, so look at here, one bonding is with this carbon and another bonding for this carbon is with hydrogen, with 3 hydrogens. So there are 4 bonding. There are 4 bondings surrounding the carbon. Surrounding this carbon also, one bonding here, one bonding here, one bonding there, one bonding, 4 bonding. So always 4 bonding should be there for carbon because it has got 4 valence electrons. So in this class we have seen what is chemistry, what is its importance, how does it is classified, and about some facts on carbon. In the next class we will see how organic molecules are classified. Okay, what are the different types of organic molecules, so that we can see in the next class. I have given a test link in the description box. Okay, please click on the link and attend the test so that you can test yourself whether you understood the concepts or not. Okay, thank you.